What's up, YouTube? This video is about these things. Got these in the mail probably a day ago, and I like them. They're pretty cool. The funniest part about them is that my brother kind of clued me in that these colors are kind of the colors of the, well, they are the colors of the, what is it, the trans flag. Doesn't really matter. I think they're still cool. It's just a different take on one of my favorite shoes, the Nike Cortez. These are the Nike Cortez Union SP. Nike Cortez Union SP. Or the Nike Cortez SP, I guess. But yeah, I think they're pretty cool. They're different flavor on the Cortezes. And I like them. I wish I actually saw a black colorway that I like better, and I might cop those and return these, maybe. We'll see on what I do. I already have too many damn garbage shoes. But what do I think about these shoes? I give them like an 8. Nah, I'll give them a 7. I'll give them a 7. I like them, but just, I don't know. They're just not that hard. Like, I like the detail. I like why it's different, but I don't know. I'll give it a 7. But yeah, the rest of the video is gonna be on feet, on foot. What else? Unboxing, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate you sticking by. Catch you later.
Like and subscribe. 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 Like and subscribe.